Hello. So, in the last class, we have discussed a few basic commands that we need to do before starting bug bounty hunting, like uh, ping command, nslookup, whois. Similarly, we have used um, dirb command, nmap, some basic commands which need to find out the open ports or services running on that, or to find out the IP address and all, right. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to retrieve the subdomains of a particular target. Okay, those is the most important thing. So 1 second, clear. For that, we can use amas command. Amas, enum, then hyphen, sorry, okay, passive space, hyphen g space, then our site name, reddit.com. So if you want to store the result into a particular text file, you can give, 1 second, let me open the notepad. Yeah, this is the command. If you want to store the result of this command into a text file, you can type like this, reddit.txt. So the result of this command will be stored into this text file. Okay, so just wait for the result. It depends on your network connection. Okay, it will take some time, and just wait for a few seconds. Actually, I have already done the same in the previous class for live students. Yeah, but I stopped in the mid. That's why I got only few results. I got NS record, CNAME record, and I will get all the subdomains that related to reddit.com. It will list here, just wait. Okay, so here we got few NS record, names of a record, and we got some CNAME record. Those things are really helpful to do subdomain takeover and also to do the DNS zone transfer. Okay, in the next video, we will discuss about the DNS zone transfer. Fine. So yeah, here we got the result. So we got MX record, that is mail exchange record. Then A record, that means IPv4 address, and this one is IPv6 address. And we got this much CNAME records. Here in the left hand side, you can see the subdomains also. Okay, and we got A record, some again, and AA record, that means IPv6 account, and the same name. We got so many subdomains and also the IP address of the particular site. Okay, it will take some time to load all the details. So you have to store this into a text file. Okay, so you can use this command to get the subdomains. These things are the first and major and basic step that we need to do before starting our actual bug bounty hunting journey. Okay, so from these subdomains, we can choose one domain as our target. Our main target is reddit.com, and in this example, let me choose this one, chat.reddit.com or email.reddit.com. Okay, so this is our secondary target, not secondary, it's our main target, but subdomain. Okay, subdomain of the main target. So I'm choosing this one or this one. So again, I can do Nmap, or I can start our web app pen testing in this domains. Okay, fine.